Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. I'm Scott Fox, lifelong insurance nerd. January 1 acts like a reset button for Medicare benefits, but most people leave money and services on the table. As a lifetime insurance nerd and licensed insurance broker, I've seen clients lose out on thousands in free care just by not knowing the rules. Stick with me for the next 5 minutes, and I'll show you how to use your plan like a pro this year. Every year, billions in preventative screenings, over-the-counter credits, and wellness perks go unused. That means people are literally paying for benefits they never use, and the insurance companies are quietly pocketing the savings. Let's get nerdy. Point 1, preventative care reset. Every January, your annual wellness visit and preventative screenings reset. This is your chance to get labs, screenings, and preventative care covered for free. Nerd tip, call your doctor's office in January to lock in appointments before schedules fill up. Point 2, over-the-counter allowances. Many Medicare Advantage plans include quarterly or monthly credits for bandages, vitamins, aspirin, and cold meds. The catch? Credits often expire unused. Nerd tip, mark your calendar or set a phone reminder to make sure you spend your credits before they expire. Point 3, fitness perks. Programs like SilverSneakers, Renew Active, or free gym memberships are often included in many Medicare Advantage plans. These aren't just mall walking, they're real gyms and real classes. Nerd tip, use it early in the year. Fitness perks mean stronger bones, fewer falls, and more energy. Point 4, 12-month care plan. Plan your year of health like a car's maintenance schedule. Appointments, refills, and labs mapped out now equals no December scramble. Nerd tip, put everything in a calendar at the start of the year. Future you will thank you. If this video made Medicare a little less confusing, please let me know. Hit the like button, share it with a friend, and drop a comment with your questions down below. And of course, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future nerd tips. It really does help me continue to put videos like this one out. I'm Scott Fox, lifelong insurance nerd, and I run an independent brokerage here in Southern California with clients across the United States. That means I represent multiple companies, not just one. And I help people like you find the Medicare or insurance coverage they need that actually fits your life every day. If you'd like personal help reviewing your coverage, just give me a call at 310-504-6223 or visit my website at scottfoxinsurance.com. My info is always in the description. Please reach out anytime. Thank you. Thanks again for watching today. And as always, stay nerdy, my friends.